Every time we install a piece of equipment, furnace, AC, water heater, there's a warranty registration that has to happen within 30 days. Miss it, and the customer loses their extended warranty. We were missing them. Not intentionally, just it falls through the cracks. The old process, tech finishes the job, someone in the office is supposed to log into the manufacturer portal, find the install date, enter the model and serial number, fill out the homeowner info. Goodman has one portal, York has another, Bradford White has a third. They're all different, all require accounts, and none of them talk to each other. We built an AI agent that handles all of it automatically. Here's the flow. When a job is marked complete in Field Pulse, the agent pulls the model number, serial number, install date, and customer address from the job record. It checks which manufacturer portal applies based on the brand. Then it logs in, navigates to the registration form, fills everything out, and submits. No one has to remember, no one has to log in, it just happens. The tricky part was the portals themselves. These manufacturer websites weren't built for automation. They have inconsistent form structures, CAPTCHAs on some, session timeouts, and validation rules that vary by product line. We used Playwright under the hood, browser automation that can see and interact with pages the same way a human would. The agent handles retries, detects success confirmation pages, and logs the result back to the job in Field Pulse. If it fails, CAPTCHA it can't solve, form change, network error, it flags it for manual follow-up. We get a notification. Nothing silently falls through. Since we turned this on, registration rate went from sporadic to essentially 100%. Every install gets registered. Customers get their full warranty. We don't have a queue building up. The thing is, this is exactly the kind of work AI should be doing. Repetitive, rule-based, high stakes if you miss it. No judgment required. Just execute the process correctly every time. We support Goodman, York, Coleman, and Bradford White right now. Adding a new portal takes a few hours. Map the form fields, test the flow, ship it. This is day 14. Tomorrow we get into the daily morning report, the thing that pulls job status, parts orders, and open estimates together before anyone picks up the phone. Subscribe if you want to see it.